In this video, we are going to review how to perform file maintenance. Over time, Medisoft data may become fragmented through the action of adding or removing entries. In order to ensure the best performance and reduce possible errors, we recommend running file maintenance on a regular basis. To begin, you'll want to make sure all users are out of Medisoft. Next, we can start by going to File, and then File Maintenance. You'll see 4 tabs here. The first tab is for rebuilding indexes. This helps the data become less fragmented. Here, we can select all files. Next, the Pack Data tab removes deleted records from the data, clearing up space and improving performance. Let's select all files as well. Next, we have Recalculate Balances. This runs through your transactions and calculates the remainder and the amounts applied. We can select all 3. We're going to skip the 4th tab, Purge Data. Just like the name implies, we don't want to do this, so make sure you do not click on this tab here. Once we have all 3 tabs selected, we can go over and select Start to begin our file maintenance. Click OK to continue. Now, the time it takes to run through file maintenance can vary. For me, I have a small tutorial data set, so it should only take a few seconds. But if you have a large data set, you can expect it to take a little bit of time. Okay, looks like we're all set here. And that concludes our file maintenance. We always recommend creating a backup of your data set first before acting on it. Running through file maintenance pretty regularly allows the program to operate at its best performance, and it reduces the likelihood of any data-related errors. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care and have a great day.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again and see you on the next one.